Moonbirds take the top rank in the NFT after selling $290 million in 4 days. The newly introduced cryptocurrency Moonbirds non-fungible token (NFT) project has soared to the top of the trade volume rankings, with $290 million in sales in only 4 days. As according CryptoSlam's statistics, the project has earned more than $289.9 million in secondary sales, which includes mint sales. The project is the top-selling NFT collection during the previous 7 and 30 days, and second over the last 24 hours, according to the data.